This is the video direction for preschool drop-off procedures. All preschool students will be dropped off beginning at 8:40 a.m. Times will not be staggered. Enter off of Palatine Road and head down the thoroughfare. Once you hit the second entrance, make a right. At this point, you are going to want to be aware that 2 lanes will form here to create 2 preschool drop-off lines. The lines will be headed in the same direction. When you hit the thoroughfare here, you want to stop and look for oncoming traffic. Please give the right-of-way to cars exiting the drop-off line. Again, please pull forward to create 2 lines of traffic for preschool drop-off. Preschool line opens, one of our staff members will direct you to the drop-off line. We ask that you please pull all the way forward to the crosswalk or stop behind the car in front of you. Staff members will be there to greet your child and assist them getting out of the car. We ask that they exit on the passenger side of the vehicle for safety and that you do not get out of the car, please. Students will be escorted into the school building where they will be greeted by their classroom teacher or teacher assistants. Once your child is safely out of the car and the door is closed, please follow the flow of traffic out of the drop-off line. Please do not exit the drop-off line. We ask that you follow one line out. If your child is not ready to exit the car for school, please exit the line and re-enter it. Or you may drive to the east side of the building, park, and walk your child through the narthex and down the parish hallway to door 20, where staff is located to greet you and your child. Thank you for your support, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the school office. We thank you for your support while we work on improving our safety procedures.